Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to link Chime to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon on the top right. You need to scroll a little bit down and here we'll see linked banks. Just click it and click this plus icon right here. Then you need to select no card question mark on the bottom. Then you need to click continue, and Cash App will give you the full list of banking institutions that you are able to connect to your Cash App, guys. So you can see Chime is the first one, so you can connect Chime account to your Cash App. Just click Chime, then click continue to login. You need to enter your Chime credentials. So you need to enter your credentials, log into your Chime, and after that you can link your Chime to your Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.